subscribe button for more amazing videos from us now. Getting the house to look spike and span is something we are all striving to achieve. But let's face it, although most of the times we wish to clean our homes, often we end up relegating cleaning duties. It can be legitimately difficult to keep your home neat and clean for a good reason. You might be limited with little time to spare, or the job might just be too risky and costly. The good news is that technology has advanced to an extent you no longer need to spend all your time cleaning. With smart cleaning devices and gadgets, you can easily automate most of the work and maybe even clean up spaces that were impossible to clean before. Let's walk you through a few of the best automatic home cleaning devices. Number 1. iRobot Roomba 650 Vacuum. Without a doubt, one of the most time-consuming tasks at home is vacuuming, but it doesn't have to be. With the iRobot Roomba 650, you can automate the whole process at the push of a button. Yes, that's right. You can get your house vacuumed at an instant thanks to its full suite sensor that quickly adapts to your home. This Roomba 650 robot will give your house a thorough vacuuming thanks to its 3-stage patented cleaning system that guarantees to pick up all the dust using a combination of brushing, agitation, and suction. It is designed to sort out dust, clean underbed sofas, and all hard-to-reach areas of your house with its spinning side brush that gets all the corners and edges free of dust. What's more is that with its self-charging feature, it automatically goes back to recharge and always stays ready to vacuum your house. Number 2. iTouchless 13-gallon automatic sensor touchless trash can. iTouchless is a Silicon Valley-based company that is leading the home hygiene industry with its houseware products that provide lots of conveniences. Keeping hygiene in the kitchen just got much easier thanks to the iTouchless sensor. It has an automatic lid that is designed to sense your flexes using its reflex sensor technology to automatically open and close to allow you to throw in trash quickly. How does it work? Well, thanks to a patented and harmless infrared sensor that triggers the lid when you place your hand 6 inches above it. This trash can will free you from stress when cleaning. It's designed for use without an inner bucket, therefore proving to be more efficient, giving you about 25% more space than regular trash cans. With its lightweight build, you can easily position it strategically in your kitchen. Furthermore, its robust carbon outdoor filtration system can be effective when keeping away bad odor from your kitchen. Number 3. Verilux Clean Wave UVC Sanitizing Wand. The Verilux Clean Wave is the go-to get budget for anyone who wants to clean up surfaces on electronics that are hard to reach. The sanitizing wand is ideal for killing germs and bad odor thanks to its powerful UV lights that gets rid of all disease-causing bacteria on any surface. In fact, you will not even need to dwell on a particular spot to get it to be spotless, as it's chemical-free and produces zero harmful odors. Apart from the fact that it leaves zero liquid residues behind, it also comes with a charger and a pack of rechargeable batteries that keep it going, giving you the magical convenience of a smart cleaning gadget. Number 4. Germ Guardian AC5250PT 3-in-1 air cleaning system. Cleaning your home gets easier when the dirt is visible, but what if you're allergic and the very air you breathe in is full of dust and mire? Thankfully, Guardian Technologies already came up with a solution with the Germ Guardian AC5250PT 3-in-1 air cleaning system. If you want to keep your house clean of allergens such as pollen dust and mites as well as pet odor, you better try out this digital air purifier. It is built with a charcoal purifier that is ideal for reducing common odors from the air, and its titanium dioxide and UV light technology promises to kill airborne bacteria and viruses, thus having you breathing free again. Worried that your house is too big? Well, it is recommended for a large size room, so you don't have to worry. Number 5. Simplehuman 8OZ Sensor Pump. Frankly, the idea of keeping hand bottle soaps or even regular hand soap is a risk to your absolute hygiene. How, you ask? Well, every time you touch the bottle soap or use the hand soap, your hands are guaranteed to get dirty in the process. But there is a smart way to go about it, and that is with the help of the Simplehuman 8OZ soap dispenser. This highly efficient soap dispenser unit is touch-free and automatic. Yes, that's right. You can't forget about spreading more germs around your house thanks to this innovative gadget that is not only touch-free but also instant and accurate. Number 6. AlphaWise magnetic window cleaning robot. If you dread the thought of cleaning your windows, either because they are just way too high or just too time consuming, you are in luck. The AlphaWise magnetic window cleaning robot can easily take care of your framed glasses so that you won't have to take a risk climbing ladders just to reach out to those high windows. All you need is to simply press that start button, or even better, just go for the remote controller to get the robot to clean your windows for you. It is capable of cleaning out oil stains, dust and all sorts of dirt thanks to its strong absorption capacity. Plus, it is designed to clean windows thoroughly, especially with its 3 cleaning routines that save you time. Number 7. Electrolux Professional Dishwasher. An amazing way to get rid of the dirty plates filling your kitchen sink is to simply throw them into a digital dishwasher such as the Electrolux Professional Dishwasher. It comes in an attractive design that is set to match your kitchen furniture. Not to mention its intelligent touch controls that makes your work easier while also to saving you lots of energy. What's more is that it cleans as many utensils as possible with its high temperature sanitization and automatic self-cleaning cycle, so that you don't have to get worried about your large pile of dirty utensils. Now that's convenience in the kitchen. Indeed, smart household cleaning products are changing the way we do things at home. Check them out in the description below and tell us your experience in the comment box when you finally get them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the little bell for notifications on our latest videos.